If you are starting to feel that all slides that you see are starting to feel and look exactly the same, you're not crazy. It is happening in real time, and there's a good reason for it. And that is because people let AI take over. No matter where you look, you see these claims that AI built my presentation in 5 minutes, or I made this 120 slide presentation in just 34 seconds. Everything revolves around AI and speed, and to be honest, that's not a good thing. First time you see it, you're impressed, like, wow, can AI actually do this in just a few seconds? Pretty cool. But then after a while, you start to see more and more of them, and by the time that the early majority is creating those slides, you're noticing that everything is starting to look the same. We see that 3 categories split every time, that little line under the title. We see the walls of text that say something but actually say nothing at all, and is actually way too small to read in real time. So why is that happening? Well, to be very short, it is because garbage in equals garbage out. Now let me explain that a little bit more. Because the AI models, they are trained to provide you the most likely output. So if you give a prompt like make me a slide about XYZ, then it will work its way towards that most common representation of a slide. And as a result, we all get that same effect or a very similar slide. Now, the most important question we can ask ourselves is how can we avoid this? Because if I see a slide that has been generated by AI or has that AI look and feel to it, I'm just zoning out and I don't want to listen anymore because I just feel that you are being lazy and I have to read that AI generated content. I want to hear from you what you have to say. I want to listen to your analysis, your conclusion, your storyline, not what you've been generating with AI. And the way we achieve that is by creating unique and impactful slides. Now, how do we do this? Well, designers have been doing it for years. They use design principles that are used way outside of the presentation industry. Those are techniques used on billboards, on advertising, magazines, newspapers, you see it. Everything asks for attention. So it's these principles that we can apply to our presentations, to our slides, to grab the attention, to steer the attention in the right way. Because all of our content is different, yet AI sort of generates that same output for everything. There's no one solution that fits all, and that is what we have to understand. We have to learn to think like a presentation designer. We have to learn to think how we can steer attention, how we can control attention. And this is where I believe the split is being made between people who, one, know exactly what they're doing and they are in control of AI. They can steer AI and use it where they're missing, where they're lacking things. They can ask like, hey, this is the image I want to generate. This is the sort of structure that I want to build. I want you to create this exact output for me in a very structured, logical way, because they have that idea in their mind, that creative idea, and they can ask AI to do that for them. And then on the other side, we have 99% of the people who don't use AI in the right way. They use it, they outsource it entirely. So AI executes, AI thinks, AI comes up with that result, that generic AI slop result. That is what we want to avoid. We want to understand exactly how to convert our ideas into that result that is unique and impactful. So what I've done is I've taken these design principles and I've applied them to presentations, professional presentations, so you can make unique slide designs, whether you want to do it yourself or you want to steer AI in that direction. So you can start today enjoying my presentation design program. So by the end of this week, you'll be generating slides that are actually impactful, unique to your style, and truly fit your message. I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.